Hi guys, the previous tutorial I left you all with that swara, up to Chitta swara of Varna, Adidala Varna, Ninnukuri. Mohan is the raga. So, for first the raga lakshan of Mohan. Mohan is the derivative of 28th Melakarta raga Hari Kamboji. Then, it is an Audava raga. Madhyama Nishada Varjya raga. Upanga raga. The swarastanams are Shadja, Chaturshruti Rishabha, Andhara Gandhara, Panjama and Chaturshruti Daivala. So if you all are thorough with the first tutorial, we can move on to the next part, which is Charanam and Charanaswaras. We have got 4 Charanaswaras. So first the Charanam. Before that, let's sing the Arohana and Avarohana. Sa Ri Ga Pa Dha Sa. Avarohana. Sa Dha Pa Ga Ri Sa. Now the Charana. Lot many Gandharams are there. Ga 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 Ri. First Gandhara is having an Anuswaram from Rishabha. Ri. From there I am giving a slide. Ga. Like that. Ga Ga Ga. The second and the third Gandhara is having nothing. And the fourth is having Ga Ri. Ga. It is having a slide from Panjama. It's succeeding note. Ga 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 Ri. Rishabha is also having a slide from Gandhara. Ri. Then Ri Ga Pa Ga Pa. 1, 2, 3 here. Ri. Rishabha is having a Gamagam from Shadja. Saga Ri. Ri Ga Pa Ga Pa. 1, 2, 3. Then Ga Ga Dha Dha Pa. Earlier in my previous tutorial I have mentioned if we are getting double notes and those double notes, if it is having usage, certain usage, never repeat an usage there. Here Daivadam is double, and for the first Daivadam I gave a Gamagam from Gandhara. It is a new usage actually. Ga Sa Dha Dha Dha. Then second Daivadam is having a slide from Shadja, da, like that. Da, da, it goes like that. Ga, ga, da, da, pa. Then ga, ga, da, pa. That is having a slide from Shadja. Ga, ga, da, pa, ga, pa. Here, either you can take Panjama as a straight note or you can give a slide from its preceding note Gandhara, like this. Ga ga da pa ga pa like that. Ga ri za ri. The rest is just like slide and gama. Ga ri slides, then sa ri. This is a gama. Sa ga ri. So the charana is like this. Ga 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 ri ri ga pa ga ga da da pa ga da pa ri sa ri. That's the charana. Let's move on to the first charana swara. Almost all the varnam. If we check all the varnams, it's first Charana Swara, it is almost like this. Only a few notes will be there, swaras will be there, and too much of dirghams. Here the first Gandhara is having extra 5 beats. No 1, no 2, no 3, no 4, that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That much you have to sustain. Ga, ri, sa, ri, dha. Let me count all those first. Ga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ri 1, sa 1. Ri 1, 2, 3. Dha 1, 2, 3. Ri 1, dha 1. Sa 1, 2, 3. Ri 1, 2. Ga 1, ri. This is the way we should count. It's dirghams. And we should keep that in our mind. We just cannot sing it like that. Ga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we cannot sing like that. So you should say that in your mind, and it will be like this: Ga Re Sa Re Da Re Da Sa Re Ga Re, like this. And the usages I'm giving, it is not much difficult actually. Ga, Gandhara is having an answer from Rishabha. Here Rishabha, Ga, slide. Ga, Re. Rishabha is having Gama, Sagari. That's Re, Sa, Re. Next Rishabha is having 3 extra bits. So we have got plenty of time to give this Gama, Sagari, Re, Da. Either you can drop Daivada just like a slide from Rishabha, Re, Da, like that, or Re, Ga, Da, Da. That is also possible. Then Re, Da. Then next Rishabha, I'm starting from the Gari, Re, Re. Such a new Gama. Re, Da. Daivadam is just a repetition. Re, Ga, Da, Re, Da, Sa, 1, 2, 3. Sa is just played, then Re. Rishabha is having 2 extra beats. Re, Ga, Re. Gandhara is played. Re is Ga, Re. Re is also played. So it will be like this: Ga, Re, Sa, Re, Da, Re, Da, Sa, Re, Ga, Re, like that. Then the charana, you have to repeat that between all those charana swaras. Let's move on to the second charana swara. Ga, Ga, Re, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. That's the first phrase. Ga, Ga, Re, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. Here, Ga, Ga, Re, Sa, Re. Most of the Rishabhams, the starting Rishabham is having just a slide. Ga, Ga, Re, then Sa, Re. That's a Gama, Sa, Re, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. Give a pause there. Then Pa, Da, Da, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. Here, Pa, Da, Da, Panjamam, then Daivadam, Daivadam. I'm not giving any Gama or slide there, but I'm giving a hammering tone. Pa, Da, Pa, Da, Pa, Da, Da, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. That is possible. Yeah, after this phrase also give a pause. Pa, Da, Da, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. Then Ga, Da, Pa, Ga, Re, Ga, Da. Daivam is having a slide from Shadja. Ga, Da, Pa, Ga, Re, Ga, Ga. Give a pause there. Then the last phrase is Sa, Da, Pa, Ga, Re, Sa. Play. Da, Pa, Ga, Re. Daivam is having a slide. Gandharam is having a slide. Rishabha is also having a slide. Da, Sa, Da, Pa, Ga, Re. Like that. Let me combine it as a. Yeah, there are 4 phrases. It will be Ga, Ga, Re, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. Pa, Da, Da, Sa, Re, Ga, Ga. Ga, Da, Pa, Ga, Re, Ga, Ga. Sa, Da, Pa, Ga, Re. Then Charana Swara, then Charana. You have to repeat that again. Let's move on to the Charana Swara number 3. Here also we have got 4 phrases, okay? Pa, Da, Da, Pa, Ga, Re. Here, don't sing it like Pa, Da, Da. Don't sing it like that. Pa, Da, Da. First Daivada from below and second Daivada from above. First Daivada is having a Gamagam, Pa, Sa, Da. Second Daivada is having a slide from Sa, Da, like that. Pa, Da, Da, Pa, Ga, Re. The rest is just slides. Ga, Re. Then Sa, Re, Ga, Re, Sa, Da. First Jama I am lifting up from Daivada. Da, Sa, Re, Ga. Rishabha is having a Gamagam from Sa, Sagari. Those are the Aniswarams. Sa, Re, Ga, then Re. I'm having a, not only me, you all will be having a extra beat there. Re, Re, and 1. Re. So repeat that gamma. Re, sagari, gari, re, sa, da. Again I am lifting up the shadja from Daivada, sa. Then I am dropping back to Daivada, the. Sa, re, ga, re, sa, da. Then sa, re, ga, pa, da. Here, sa. I am lifting up from Daivada. Sa, re, ga. Rishabha is having a gamagam from sa. Aniswarams are sagari, sa, re, ga, pa, da. Daivam is having a gamagam from below. Pasada are the aniswarams. And that phrase will be sa, re, ga, pa, da. Then sa, sa. Here, sa, sa. I am touching the preceding note of shadja. And when we sing such usages, you should be very much careful. It is not nishada, it is daivata, it is daivata, sa, sa, da, pa, like that. Sa, sa, da, sa, da, pa, gari. Here also I am giving slide for daivata, gandhara, and rishabha. Rishabha can either be sang with a gamal also, rather than slide. So we have got 4 phrases, and all those four will sound like this. Pa, da, da, pa, ga, ri, sa, ri, ga, ri, sa, da, sa, ri, ga, pa, da. Then sa, sa, da, pa, ga, ri, like that. Then you have to repeat the charana. After that, we can move on to the Charanaswara number 4, the last Charanaswara. It starts with Shadja. Sa, re, ga. Like in the Arohana. Sa, re, ga, sa, ga, re. Those are the aniswarams of Rishabha. Sa, re, ga, re, sa, da, pa, ga, re, sa, re, sa. That's the first phrase. Sa, re, ga, then re, sa, re, sa. Rishabha is having a slide actually. Re, that's gari, re, sa, then da, sa, da, pa. I'm dropping onto Daivada and I'm lifting it back. Da, sa, da, pa. Then I'm dropping it back. Da, sa, da, pa, then ga, re, sa, re. Here, Gandhara and Rishabha is sliding. Ga, re, then sa, re. This Rishabha is having a gama. Sa, ga, re. Ga, re, sa, re. Then sa. Then from Rishabha, sa, sa. Actually, sa, re, sa, re, re, sa. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has got 5 dirhams. So that phrase is like this: sa, re, ga, re, sa, da, pa, ga, re, sa, re, ga, pa, da. It is just like Janda Vijay. Double Shadja, double Rishabha, Gandhara, Panchama, and Daivada. All are double. Sa, da, sa, re, ga, pa, ga, pa. Like that. Sa, re, ga, pa. For Daivada, da, da. First Daivam is having a gamma from pa, sa, da, aniswarams, and second Daivam is having a slide from Shadja, sa, da, like that. Sa, re, ga, pa, da, da. Then sa, re, ga, re, sa, played, re, sagari, sa, re, ga, re. Gandha, Rishabha is having a slide from Gandhara twice. Ga, re, like that. Then da, sa, re, sa. Here, da, sa, re. Either you can give a gamagam from Daivada, da, sa, re, la, ga, re, like that, or re from Gandhara, just a simple slide. Da, sa, re, sa. Then pa, da, sa, da. Here, pa, da. First Daivam is having a gamagam. Pa, da, sa, da. Here, both Daivatam is having a slide. pa da sa da sa da dan ga pa da pa da. Here from this da yoda drop to Gandhara ga pa da pa da pa. Here also the yoda is having a slide like in the previous place. Pa da pa. And now we are landing on Panchama. From this Panchama lift up Rishabha. Re sa da pa ga re sa re. From Panchama re Panchama to Rishabha, Re sa da pa ga re. All those are slides. Sa re. That's the Gamaka. So the fourth Charana Swara will sound like this. Sa re ga re sa da pa ga re sa re sa. Sa re ga pa pa da da dan sa re ga da sa re sa pa da sa da ga pa da pa. From this one re sa da pa ga re sa re. Then Charana. That's the way it goes. So this is where I'm gonna leave you in this tutorial. We have to learn the Sahityam part. I'll take that in my next tutorial. So practice well, guys, and if I got any suggestions or opinions, you can share that with me. Yeah, bye.